Hey, it's me, Leah, and today we're going to talk about this window camera. This is a smart Wi-Fi camera that goes right in your window, and I have two glass doors, and I have one that goes out. They both go out to my pool, but one's closer to my back patio door. So I want to see outside my door. So let's open this up and check it out. I'm super excited. These are super easy to install. I've installed a few of them. I prefer this mount. For me, this mount is much easier. And it hides perfectly behind my shade, so I don't have to worry about it like making my shade pop out or anything like that. And it gives you the sticky tape to stick it. So I have the tape on there, and I'm gonna get ready to install it. I plugged it in first because I wanted to get the camera all set up on my app. Super easy to use. And you can even like put on a stand if you like, but this is ready to go. So let's go install this. So that's my outside patio door, and I want to be able to see it. So this is where I'm going to install this. This is super easy. I actually used to have one right there. So I'm just going to put it basically in the same spot. And now I can close my blind. And you can see it right there. This is what I love about this camera. So it's installed on my window. Right there, motion triggered. And it's showing somebody walking all the way by on the back part of my patio. I can even do full screen. To get a more bigger view. So if you're looking for a security camera that is on the inside, that projects to the outside, this is definitely one to get. This was gifted to me free for review, and I really highly recommend this because it sits right there. It's not impeding my shades. It's projecting out. I have a door back here, so now I can see who's coming in and out of that door. I truly recommend getting one of these because you can't have enough security around your house.